Getting a lot of calls at our office to find out information about the current status of medical marijuana cards in Georgia, and also whether the THC oils can be paid for by insurance, or in some cases by the employer's workers' compensation insurance. And the answer to that question is very, very specific to individual cases. So if you call our office at 770-982-2252, we can give you a specific evaluation concerning your case. But I'm going to give you some general information about the medical marijuana cards in Georgia and the process for obtaining one, as well as whether or not, in your case, you may be entitled to have those THC oils paid for and compensated as far as expenses to you by a workers' compensation insurance carrier. Medical marijuana cards in Georgia are issued for very, very specific conditions. If you have cancers, if you have neuropathy, if you have Parkinson's disease, autism, Tourette's disease, in many cases you can get a medical marijuana card. In some cases, you can also receive that for post-traumatic stress disorder, as well as severe physical injuries such as back, neck, injuries that involve spinal cords, in situations where you're in severe pain and opiates or other pain medications just haven't worked for you. A lot of people are allergic to opioids, which means THC oil may be their only last vestige of being able to get treatment for pain. In Georgia, you're required to go ahead, if you wish to obtain a medical marijuana card, you're required to go to a registered physician, and it's a two-step process. One is that you have to prove that you have a diagnosis which will allow you to qualify under the very, very specific guidelines of the Georgia Public Health Department. And those guidelines are posted on their website, so I'd suggest that you go take a look at those. And then if a physician finds that you do have one of the conditions that will qualify you for the card, he will go ahead and submit a form to the Georgia Department of Public Health to get you approved for a card. The application process costs $25, and if you do receive the card, it does not mean that the state will provide you with THC oil. What that basically means is that the card will be issued, and if you are found to be in possession of the oil, you won't be criminally prosecuted by the state. You'll still have to obtain the oils on your own ability to get those from a medical provider. One of the things that will qualify you for THC oil in Georgia as a workers' compensation claim is if you can show post-traumatic stress disorder. Many times people will receive an injury, they get hurt at work, they may be involved in an automobile accident which occurred at work, and if you can show that your physical injury has produced a psychological disability, you may very well be able to get that prescribed to you. Again, each case is very, very specific, and we again recommend that you call our office to find a little bit more out about your specific situation. Again, our phone number is 770-982-2252. You can also receive THC oil if you can show that you have a severe physical injury and that medications prescribed are not working for you, conventional medications. So again, this is something that a doctor would have to go ahead, examine you for, and go ahead and issue you a form to submit to the Georgia Public Health Department. We can assist in that process with you and get you to a registered physician to do that. And with most workers' compensation cases, there is no charge for the attorney's services unless compensation is received or an award is made by the State Board of Workers' Compensation. Again, I'm going to recommend that you contact our office, 770-982-2252, so we can do a specific case evaluation and see if we can get you qualified to receive medical marijuana card, and then subsequently get the THC oil, which can be used in your treatment for pain. I appreciate everybody listening to this video. Again, give us a call at 770-982-2252, and we'll be happy to discuss your case with you.